In today's video, we're going to have a look at PREM African Minerals, mostly charts with a bit of roundup of some news and just a general sort of where we're at with things. What is the crack, everyone? Welcome back by Wholesale. Hope of course you're all well. I appreciate I'm wearing a coat inside. I've just came in from being outside all day. It's very cold in my house. The heating hasn't been on. So instead of sitting here freezing, I thought I'd wear my coat still. So that explains that. I appreciate a lot of you are asking me. There's a lot of excitement, especially around PREM African Minerals at the moment, because the thing has rocketed and it has continued to stay there and build momentum, which is what we want to see. If you're interested in these stocks, I'll share the link to my playlist. Go in, check out all these stocks. We've been in these for about 2 years now. We're in them for a reason, because lithium is the future. Green energy plays are the future. We're seeing everybody talk about supply issues. We can't get the stuff in quick enough. The price of lithium itself, the commodity, has skyrocketed and continues to skyrocket. So we know we're in the right space. We've always known that. And if we pull up PREM African Minerals, we can see that this has broke this level and has built up support, strong support. And get a bit more deeper into it, we can see that perhaps we have reached an overbought territory, and we can see that the MACD is switching over. So what I like to do is strip that down to the 4 hour. What's it telling me? And what it's telling me is a sideways motion. It is saying to me that we have built up support since about the Friday the 11th when we got up to here, and we can see that if we do a measured move here, we can see once we got up to this level, we have went sideways for almost 2 weeks. We have went kind of sideways. It has been rather flat, but that's not a bad thing. What that is telling me is what has told me here when we went sideways for this period of time. It was about 2 weeks, and then we got the next level up. If we look back, we can see here when it went sideways for a longer time. It went for 74 days, a couple of months, kind of going sideways, and then we leveled up. Went sideways, and then we leveled up. That is what's happening with PREM. I've said it in a couple of videos prior. I am loving the fact that this stock isn't going parabolic. I don't want to see it go up 200%, then down. And I would prefer go up a bit, settle. Go up a bit, settle. And I appreciate a lot of people would prefer just to go to the moon, but it's not realistic. That's what gets pumps. That's where you get short squeezes. This is just ticking along nicely because the fundamental news that is coming out about PREM African Minerals is strong. We're seeing stuff on Twitter. We're seeing the construction. And if we go to PREM African Minerals, we can see here already the followers are starting to grow, but they're very active. Very active. A few days ago, they pinned this tweet, and the conveyor is being assembled to deliver the Zulu Lithium project, all to help us get into construction. Pilot plant working towards commissioning the plant on schedule. That it came out 3 hours ago, guys. These guys are hard at it, working away. We're getting plenty of updates, which is what I love. I've always said I love stocks. It gives plenty of updates. There's no doubt about that. That's what's happened. You can see here, here's all the lads. This looks to be a bit of George Roach here, giving a bit of direction, which is good to see. This guy doesn't look too interested, to be fair. And there's been plenty of stuff happening. Go on, check it all out. We know what we're in here for. We're looking for an update on the resource. That's when we'll truly know that what the company, what they value this at based on current prices, based on the resource. That's what we're really looking for. That's what's really going to get it exciting. And until then, we're probably not going to have any talk of a buyer coming in, because George will want to see, this is what we've got here, guys. This is the whole resource. This is what we have to offer. Let the bids come in. But that doesn't mean that George is going to take it. I think ideally he would prefer some sort of partnership, joint venture, GV is what it says. Something like that, so they can go to construction, and because at the end of the day, the longer they can keep this resource and go to construction and start producing it themselves, it makes more money. Why is a company ban it? They're banned to do that. So if George can do that, then that makes more money for us, the shareholders, and George himself. So listen, that's really PREM African Minerals. This chart is just going sideways, looking to see if I was just to be looking at the charts from a trading point of view, I would have taken profits at this level, which I did. And then you would have took profits probably at this level, but I didn't. And the reason I didn't is because I took some here, rightly or wrongly, and the real reason I took some here is because of this sideways motion that pretty much we were in since almost a year ago. So I was keen not to let it fall down again. Typical though, as soon as I sold, it rallied on, but that's okay. I'm all right with that. Taking profits there, I'm sitting tight. If we were to fall back to this level, that's my top up point, guys, and that's where you should be topping up. If it falls to these levels, I'm filling the boat. But in saying that, if you have no PREM African Minerals and you have no exposure to any lithium plays, and you've got a decent sized portfolio and you're willing to allocate maybe 10-15% towards risk, and this is an AIM stock, this is a penny stock, it is still risky. There's conflict in Africa and stuff like that, so you have to do your due diligence. Of course, this is not me saying buy it for the 2 times for you to 100 times your money. There was a guy yesterday that commented on one of my videos saying, how much do I need to put in to make £1,000? Hold on, let me just get the crystal ball out. You know, it doesn't work like that. And we're never going to respond to anybody that says that, because you need to do your own due diligence, of course. I believe there's a hell of a lot more. We've done it in the last video. Go in and check about the price targets there. But in terms of right now, this stock to me is building up support for another leg up. Just my opinion, though, do your own due diligence. That is the video. Like I said, it was just going to be a quick roundup of the charts, more of it just the sort of state of play. People have been asking that, hopefully it's fulfilled it. Once we get some decent news, proper news that's worth bringing in terms of a video. I used to do these videos all in the regular. I don't now. I talk about it all in my Discord. The link is down below if you want to get in and get chatting about the Discord. Better yet, the winter sale's on, guys. Black Friday, all that jazz. The trading course is £99. £99 of your money, or the equivalent in dollars or euros, but £99 of your money, you can learn how to swing trade, you can learn how to buy and sell, you can learn all of these things at a very reasonable price. Better yet, you get lifetime access to the Discord. There's a member that joined the other day, and I gave him a bit of a tip on how to save money on one thing. Within that one bit of advice, is paid his trading course off within a day. The guy couldn't be happier. That's the type of thing that we talk about in the Discord. It's everything and anything. We're well prepared for what's coming in 2023, as much as Kodal and Premier African Minerals and our longer holds look to have a great future ahead. There is one hell of a brutal bit of pain coming in next year, so enjoy maybe this Santa rally that's coming and get ready for next year, because it's going to be one hell of a gaping, I assure you. That's the video. Please like, subscribe, catch you in the next one, and check out the playlist. All to do with PREM, all to do with Kodal and lithium plays. It's good if you're interested in the space. Do your own due diligence, of course. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.